Welcome to Bike Review Hubs, the channel where power, design, and advanced engineering meet. Today we explore something truly special, the 2026 Can-Am Dakar Livery Edition, a bold tribute to rally heritage and extreme terrain performance. This edition is built for riders who want adrenaline, endurance, and Dakar-inspired styling fused into one unstoppable machine. The spirit of Dakar. Why this livery matters. The Dakar Rally is one of the toughest off-road races on Earth. It demands raw strength, durability, precision, and the courage to push beyond limits. The 2026 Can-Am Dakar Livery Edition captures that spirit with a design inspired by desert racing legends. Sharp geometric graphics, sand tone accents, competition numbers, and aggressive contrast striping. This isn't just a cosmetic package. It's a visual reminder of Can-Am's off-road DNA. Engine and power, ready for any challenge. Under the Dakar-themed bodywork, the Can-Am machine delivers its signature high-output Rotax engine performance. Explosive acceleration, instant torque delivery, and powerful top-end pull give this model an unmistakable rally personality. Whether on dunes, gravel, mud, or rocky trails, the 2026 powertrain offers relentless thrust that keeps riders in command even in unstable surfaces. Chassis and suspension, built for hard terrain. The long travel suspension, reinforced chassis, and rally-tuned geometry make this Can-Am feel at home in hostile environments. The 2026 Dakar Edition's upgraded shock calibration absorbs drops, jumps, and uneven ruts without losing stability. Its rugged frame structure ensures durability for long expeditions, making it ideal for riders who never stop at the easy path. Technology and control. Confidence when it matters most. Advanced traction systems, selectable ride modes, and intelligent throttle mapping help the rider maintain control on unpredictable landscapes. The high-visibility digital console shows essential data clearly even in dust or sunlight glare. LED lighting enhances visibility during night runs, giving the Dakar Edition a commanding presence on every trail. Design and details. Pure rally energy. Bold Dakar graphics. Matte textures and aggressive panel shaping give this model a fierce identity. Lightweight wheels, functional air intakes, and high-mounted exhaust elements contribute to both performance and aesthetics. Every angle of the 2026 Can-Am Dakar Livery Edition reflects rally toughness and competitive energy. Conclusion, built for riders who never stop. The 2026 Can-Am Dakar Livery Edition is not just a machine. It is a statement. For riders who crave off-road dominance, desert racing character, and an unbreakable spirit, this model delivers. At Bike Review Hubs, we celebrate machines that push boundaries, and this Can-Am stands proudly among them. Ride fearless, ride free, and stay tuned for more powerful reviews and upcoming 2026 models.